In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create amazing text effects in Canva, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Text effects are a powerful way to make your designs stand out, whether you're creating social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, presentations, or marketing graphics. Canva makes this incredibly easy, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to apply, customize, and fine-tune text effects to match your style. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Canva homepage. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account. From here, open any untitled design. You can choose a custom size or select a preset, like Instagram post, presentation, or YouTube thumbnail. For this tutorial, the design size doesn't really matter, since we're focusing purely on text effects. Once your blank design is open, the next step is to add or select text. You can either click on the text option in the left sidebar to add a new text box, or you can click on any existing text already on your design. Make sure the text you want to edit is selected, because Canva's text effects will only appear when text is active. After selecting your text, look at the top toolbar. You'll see several options like font, size, color, and alignment. Here, click on the option called Effects. This will open the Text Effects menu, where Canva gives you a variety of built-in styles you can apply instantly. Now, in the Effects menu, you'll see different text styles, such as shadow, lift, hollow, splice, echo, glitch, and more. Click on any style that catches your eye. As soon as you click it, Canva will apply that effect to your selected text in real time, so you can immediately see how it looks on your design. Once you've chosen an effect, you can start customizing it. Depending on the effect you selected, Canva will give you controls like thickness, offset, direction, transparency, and blur. Adjust these sliders slowly and watch how the text changes. This is where you can really fine-tune the effect to match your design goals, whether you want something bold and dramatic or subtle and clean. Next, you can also change the shape of the text effect if the option is available. Some effects allow you to control how the text outline or shadow appears around the letters. Experiment with these settings until the text feels balanced and visually appealing within your design. If you want to take things a step further, Canva also lets you curve your text. With your text still selected, adjust the curve option to bend the text into an arc or circular shape. This works especially well for logos, badges, and creative social media graphics. You can fine-tune the curve amount until it looks just right. At this point, you can continue experimenting by changing fonts, colors, or combining text effects with backgrounds and elements. Canva updates everything live, so don't be afraid to try different combinations until you're happy with the final result. And that's it. That's how you can easily create text effects in Canva using the built-in effects tools. With just a few clicks, you can transform plain text into eye-catching designs for any project. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.